How to shorten videos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the iMovie application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Start New Project in the bottom to start a new project. From the options that appear, select Movie to build your project from scratch. You will be taken to your media library. Select the photos or videos, and then tap on Create Movie at the bottom. You will then be taken to the Edit page. On this page, tap on the video in the timeline below. After that, scroll through the video to the part you want to remove and tap on Split. Now, select the part of the video you want to remove. And then, tap on the Delete button at the bottom. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top left corner. You have now successfully shortened this video. Following these steps, you can easily shorten videos on an iPhone.